torque spec. So a bit of this. See, that's torque spec now. So these are the carbon exhaust tips. Put in the frame to go on. It's 4 of them. Some grub screws. There you go. I'll wet these on. That's the M-Perf on at the bottom. These are what the tips look like before the slip-ons go on. So let's get the exhaust tips fitted. I'm just gonna grab a mat out of the car just so I can lean down on it. Shorts. And all we've got to do now is put the screw in, a couple of the threads in, just so I don't have to fiddle around with it underneath the car. I can just slip the tips over the exhaust, and then once I'm happy with where they are, I can tighten it down after. So here I'm just trying to find the correct bit. A Torx worked fine. It isn't Allen, but I didn't have the correct size Allen in this mini ratchet set here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to slide these exhausts all the way back to the end, just so they've maxed out as how far they can go in. Once I'm happy that they've all gone right to the end, then I know I can just pull them out and just make them more level as where I want them to go. I am going to stagger them, so the inner ones are going to poke out a little bit more than the outers on both sides. And then I'll put them all on, line them up, tighten them down. That should be it. These were second hand, so they have a little bit of damage. When they were couriered, the guy that I bought the exhaust off, unfortunately left the tips on when he sold the vehicle to me. But I'll try to polish them up and make them look better, and I'll try to do a little bit more for now, but work with what we got for now. Right, that's 2. They look quite good. We'll line them up properly shortly after. Let's do the other side. Right, so we'll get them a little bit further out and then quite a little bit, and if the knee's straight, they look pretty straight to me, but if the knee's straighten up, then we'll straighten them. Do they line up? I think they do. Huh? The benefit of having genuine tips is I've seen the aftermarket ones with the fucking brackets and stuff. Oh, beat that out. And you gotta mess around. With these, you ain't gotta have any of that headache. Tighten these because the one I'm missing. That's the install done. Easy as pie. The exhaust wasn't so much. And that's the exhaust all wrapped up. I'll have a quick look around. And I think it looks good. I did like the old look too. Without the tips, it looks like, it's running some big power. But the carbon tips, you can't go wrong with M-Performance. The diffuser's going to go on next. But thanks very much for watching, everybody.